number. Now first we will discuss what is the square root. Suppose square root of 25 means we have to find out a number, such a number which I will multiply by the same number, I will get a 25. They say it is obviously your 5. They say if I will multiply 5 into 5, then it will be 25. So square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Now to find out square root, we have two methods. There is one is your prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, and another is our long division method. Long division method. Actually it is a long process. Generally, if the question is not asked to find out the square root by prime factorization method, we generally find the square root by long division method. Now in this class, we will discuss how to find out the square root of a number by long division method. Now let us find the square root of a number. Suppose now I am taking 4, 3, 2, 9, 6, 4. This is our question. Now here we will discuss one thing. It may be a perfect square number or may not be a perfect square number. So what is a perfect square number? First we will discuss perfect square number. जैसे 36. It is a perfect square number because its square root is coming a whole number. Its square root is coming a whole number. If I will find the square root of 38, then it will come in decimal quantity. 6 point something we will get. 6. So it is not a perfect square number. So we don't know whether this is a perfect square number or not. So its answer will come in a whole number or in a decimal number, we don't know. So in order to find out the square root, now you put a decimal point and to the right you write 60. Okay? Now we have to put line upon every 2 digits from the right. Now I am putting here, you see, on every 2 digits you go on putting line. Now we will start our division. This division is somewhat different from your general division method. Okay? Now here we have to write a number and here we have to write the same number. In this process, in every step, we have to write the same number on both the sides. Now, first I will divide 43. So, which number I will take? Now, you have to see, they say 43, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49. So, 7 into 7, 49, it is becoming more than 43. So here we will take the number 6. Now 6 is 36. Now you subtract. 13 says 6 is 7. Now 7 is left. Now here we have to write a number. What number we will write? Here we have to take the double of this number. 6 का double कितना होता है? 12. And you have to write 12 by leaving some space from this line. Because here I have to write a digit. Again. Now you bring down this 2 9. Now I have to see what number I will give here. Okay. Actually this is a hit and trial process. So you have to do like this. Just 1, 2. If I will put here 1, then I have to put here 1. If I will put here 2, then I have to put here 2. So here just you go on multiplying. This is coming 121. This is 1. If I will write 2 to the right, then I have to put right. This is a 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. This is 1, 2. If I will put 3, actually here I will put 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 6 9. If I will put here 4, here I will have to put 4. So I will here just you multiply. How much coming? It is 96 4. You have to go on multiplying till you get a number which is more than this. Now 125 into 5. This is coming 625. 625. Now if I will put 6 into 6. So now it is becoming more. It is now becoming more than 729. So here our required number is 5. Our required number is 5. Now you put here 5. Okay. So this comes here 625. 625. Because now we will subtract. 9 से 5 गया 4, 2 से 2 गया 0, 7 से 6 गया 1. Now here again I have to write a number. What number I will write? You just take the double of this. Double of this. जैसे if I will take the double of 65, I will get 130. In other way also you can do this. Here just you write what is in the ones place here 5. Here you add 5. So here also I am getting, if I will add 5 to 125, I am getting 130. Every time you have to write by leaving some space here. Now you bring down this 6 4. 6 4. Okay. Now same process you have to continue here. Now what number I will give here. This is also a hit and trial process. This is 1 3 0 1 1. 1 3 0 2 2. 1 3 0 3 3. In this way you have to proceed. Now just how quickly we can put a number in order to know this. Actually you see here, if I will put a digit here, it will become 4 digits. Now this is your actually 5 digits. Actually this is your 5 digits. Now I will consider this as a 4 digit. 1 2 3. This is the 4 digit. And this is, now this is the, suppose I am considering as the 4th digit. After writing a digit it will become 4th digit. So here it is 1 and its next number is 3. Next number is 3. So I will take this, consider this as 1. If it will be more than 5, I will consider this as 2. Now you see, divide 10 by 1. So it is coming 10. So naturally whatever number I will give here, it will be near 10. Near 10. So you have to try from number 8. To try better from 8. So how much it is coming? 8 is 64. Now it is the length. It is coming. Okay. Now here I have to put 8. So 1 0 4 6 4. Now the remainder is coming 0. So there is no need to bring this 0. Now our square root is equal to, square root is 658. So square root of 4 3 2 9 6 4 is equal to 658. Actually this is a perfect square number. So we are getting the square root in a whole number. If it would not be a square root number, then it would have come in decimal quantity. Okay? Stop.